Today we're going to look at ways that you can go out pallet hunting, bring pallets back home when you don't have a truck or you can't use the truck, and use a car instead. And that's pretty much all you need. So if the safety police on YouTube is watching, here's one hand on the steering wheel, here's another hand on the steering wheel. I'm actually not holding my cell phone with any of my hands. So the purpose behind the pallet buster is pretty clear. Obviously, we want to take those boards apart. I've needed a hammer a couple of times. I didn't bring one, and I ended up needing it. The Crescent bar I'm bringing, again, it's one of those just-in-case items. When you get a pallet that has blocks underneath instead of rafters, the pallet buster is pretty much useless. So bringing this gives me an insurance policy that if the best pallets that I'd like to bring home are actually block pallets, I at least have an option to take them apart. And this is also where usually the hammer comes in. Oh, there's my exit. The tape measure, every now and then I'm going to be dealing with some pallets that are not standard size. Now boards I know will fit in this car. I've measured them before. If you've never done this, definitely bring a tape measure, measure your trunk. If you have the option, take a pallet board, the uncut, measure it, or best, bring it in your car. Put it in the trunk. See how it fits. My old car, I had to put them diagonally. This car, I can put them left and right, which is kind of interesting. You want to know what you're dealing with. There are some cars, I'm assuming, where it simply won't be possible. You will have to cut the boards. So we're at one of the spots that I used to do, and if you've seen one of my previous videos, you know that those blue and red pallets you cannot take. They do belong to a shipping company. Spotted something, but it doesn't look like it's much. It looks like a pallet with laminated particle board, melamine, something like that. I'm gonna leave that one alone. It's just, unfortunately, not worth anything. Now there has been, rarely, but on some occasions, I've actually gone in and spoken to the manager, and they tell me that it's a company policy that they actually won't let you take the pallets away. That's an important detail that you need to know. Because company policy that they won't let you take it away basically means that if you take it away, you're stealing. So I'm approaching another little spot now. I'm gonna see if we have anything worth it. In the town where I live, pallets, if any, are usually not so good. They tend to be very worn out and abused. However, when you have permission to take them, they make it pretty obvious. In this particular case, it's clear that they don't. Let me show you what I mean. So here what the business owner did is that they put it on top of the container, which essentially guarantees that, unless you climb up there, you're not going to be able to get to it. So we're going to continue our little round and see what else we can find. I look for shipping docks. Anytime that you have containers, trailers, shipping doors, if they want to get rid of the pallets, they will usually dispose of them next to the shipping doors or the shipping area. If you deal with a place that does a lot of shipping, they'll usually have a special spot. Just go in and ask. And any pallets in that spot is fair game. Go in, get what you want, have fun.
'Cause I've been running this world without you, with no help at all, one way to fall, living this nightmare all through. What's new? I'm making without you, no help at all.
So there we go. That's all there is to it. I got some nice pallet boards in the trunk, ready to go home, offload, work on the next pallet project. Please leave me a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Don't forget to click that bell notification icon so you don't ever miss an episode. Take care.